All right, guys, arm your quad as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. Mr. Donuts, first one through the, oh, he's stuck in somewhere now. All right, Mr. Donuts on a 4-lap, 2:17 pace. Let's see when he gets 3 laps in where this will put him. McGap's in second, followed by Dane, and Tomic in fourth, Dubs in fifth. Dub just moved up into third place. He's on a 3-lap, 2:16 pace. Let's get some 3 laps in here, see where we stand. McGap, 3 laps, 147. That'll put him up to 11th spotted. He can get another lap in, maybe move up a couple spots. That is time. When you cross, you will be done. All right, here comes our 5th place. JTFPV moved up into 2nd place. You're cleared. 3 laps. 2:21 puts him in 17th spot. McGap moves up to 11th spot. That was